Now let us move to question number 3. By what fraction should 9 by 35 be multiplied to get 7 by 15? See, understand the question. We have a fraction 9 by 35. What should be multiplied to this to get 7 by 15? Let us take an easy example. See, you have a number 2. What should be multiplied to 2 to get 10? We know the answer is 5 because 2 into 5 is 10. Now, how did we get this 5? We got this 5 by dividing these two. When we divide 10 by 2, we have the answer 5. So, in order to solve this also, we have to divide 7 by 15. We have to do 7 by 15 divided by 9 by 35. So, let the fraction be x. According to the question, 9 by 35 into x is equal to 7 by 15. So, x will be equal to 7 by 15 divided by 9 by 35. Always remember, whenever we are moving this to the other side and whenever we are changing the sign and we are putting the division sign, first we need to write this number, the number which is on the right side of equal to sign. So, here it is 7 by 15. This number is on the right side of the equal to sign, so we will be writing this number first and then we will put this number. So, x is equal to 7 by 15 into, here the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 35 by 9. Now 15 and 35 can be reduced. 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are 35. 7 into 7 is 49 divided by 3 into 9 is 27. So this is our fraction, but since this is an improper fraction, we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So our answer will be 122 by 27. After this you write, therefore the required fraction is 122 by 27. Now let us move to question number 6. A log of wood 6 by 7 meter in length was cut into 11 pieces. What is the length of each piece? So here again we have to divide these two. So length of a log of wood is 6 by 7 meter and number of pieces is 11. So the length of each piece will be 6 by 7 divided by 11 meters. Now 6 by 7 is equal to 44 by 7 divided by 11. 11 can be written as 11 by 1. So 44 by 7 into 1 by 11. Now you can see 11 and 44 can be reduced. 11 1s are 11, 11 4s are 44. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 7 into 1 is 7. So the length of each piece of wood is 4 by 7 meter. Now let us move to question number 8. The area of a rectangular plot of land is 817 4 by 5 square meter. If its breadth is 21 3 by 4 meter, find its length. Here area is given 817 4 by 5 meter square and breadth is given 21 3 by 4 meter. We know the formula for calculating area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So length will be area divided by breadth. So this is equal to area is 817 4 by 5 divided by breadth is 21 3 by 4 meter. So if you solve this, you will get 4089 by 5 divided by 87 by 4 meter. Now this will be equal to 4089 by 5 into 4 by 87. So if you see this, 4089 and 87 are both divisible by 87. So 87 1s are 87 and 87 47s are 4089. Now 47 into 4 is 188 and 5 into 1 is 5. So this is equal to 188 by 5 meter, which is equal to 37 3 by 5 meter. So the length here is 37 3 by 5 meter. Now look at question number 10. A bundle of 500 sheets of paper has a net weight of 2 3 by 10 kg. Find the weight of one sheet of paper. So here net weight means total weight. So total weight or net weight of 500 sheets of paper is given 2 3 by 10 kg. So for calculating weight of one sheet of paper, we need to divide these two. So this is equal to 2 3 by 10 divided by 500 kg. So 2 3 by 10 will be 23 by 10 divided by 500 can be written as 500 by 1 kg. So this is equal to 23 by 10 into 1 by 500 kg. 23 into 1 is 23, 10 into 500 is 5000. So this is equal to 23 by 5000 kg. So weight of one sheet of paper will be 23 by 5000 kg. Now look at question number 11. A car travels 283 1 by 2 kilometer in 4 2 by 3 hours. How far does this car go in 1 hour traveling at the same speed? So here distance and time is given. Now we need to calculate the distance that the car takes to travel in 1 hour. So distance traveled in 4 2 by 3 hours is given 283 1 by 2 kilometer. Therefore distance traveled in 1 hour will be the division of these two numbers. That is 283 1 by 2 divided by 4 2 by 3 kilometer. So this is equal to 567 by 2 divided by 14 by 3 kilometer. So this is equal to 567 by 2 into 3 by 14 kilometer. So if you see 14 and 567, they are both divisible by 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 81s are 567. Now 81 into 3 is 243, 2 into 2 is 4. So 243 by 4 kilometer, which is also equal to 63 by 4 kilometer.